Today's top news headlines: 3 deaths as car plunges into deep pond in Jiribam. Security forces recover huge cache of arms and ammo. An upward virus trend continues in Manipur, 380 tests positive. Hello, this is Bonnie TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7. I'm LAKSMIBAI Thangzam, now the news in detail. 3 persons were killed as the car they were traveling in plunged into a deep pond at Kalinagar, Part 1 in Jiribam. The pond belongs to a brick field. Reports suggested that the fatal accident could have happened last midnight. Some morning joggers spotted the car, who informed the Jiri police about the incident. The deceased have been identified as Thongatabam Saratchandra Sarma, alias Nauba, aged 48 years, son of late Th. Joy Gopal Sarma from Kalinagar, Part 1, Jiribam. Lautongbam Anil Singh, aged 45 years, son of late L. Irabat Singh from Kalinagar, Part 3, Jiribam, and Urembam Sanjib Singh, aged 30, son of Y. Romeo Singh from Lamdai Kuno, Jakura Dhore, but was staying at Kalinagar, Part 3. The police recovered the bodies and sent them to Jiribam District Hospital for post-mortem. A case has been registered over the incident. A combined team of Bishnupur Police Commandos and a column of 36 Assam Rifles recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition at Khoizumantabi Makhalekai Ching on Tuesday. It is said on receiving input regarding the presence of suspected hideout of UZ cadres at Khoizumantabi Makhalekai Ching and Napat area. The combined team, under the supervision of Bishnupur District Additional SP Ronnie Mayengbam, assisted by Commando Officer in Charge Y. Sakti Sen Singh, under the overall guidance of SP and Herojit Meite, conducted an intensive search operation in between Jinglangmei village and Khoizumantabi Makhalekai Ching. When the weapons were recovered, a police report said. The operation was part of the preventive measures taken up for the upcoming Republic Day celebrations and State General Election 2022. The recovered items were 1 US-made M16 rifle, 1 SLR, 1 7.62 modified rifle, 1 Chinese hand grenade, 1 ICOM set along with set charger, 1 5.56 M16 magazine, 2 7.62 magazines, 4 5.56 M16 rounds, 8 7.62 SLR rounds, and 3 7.62 AK rounds. The seized arms and ammunition are being handed over to Kumbi Police Station for further necessary action, the police said. Manipur's COVID-19 infections continued on upward trajectory with 380 tested positive and 0 deaths on Tuesday. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 14%. The state's coronavirus tally has spiked to 1,27,873, while the death toll stands at 2,015. A release from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room said the new cases were detected after testing 2,724 samples in the last 24 hours. Altogether, 22 people were recuperated from the disease in the same hours. Kakching constituency MLA Mayang Lambam Rameswar on Tuesday stressed on the need to elect leaders in Manipur polls who do not have criminal backgrounds. Rameswar, who secured second position in the last Manipur Assembly election but was instated as MLA of Kakching following Yenkom Surchandra was disqualified as MLA. Speaking to the media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal, he urged upon the electorate to choose corruption-free and crime-free leaders. He mentioned that sitting MLA Yenkom Surchandra was disqualified as he refused to disclose his asset details.
Tomorrow we should be known for being a Manipuri, for the way of life that we all are proud of. Today our art and culture is promoted all over the world. We are known for our rich art and culture. Now, the 55 archaeological site of Manipur, which exhibits our indigenous culture and tradition, should be protected. And above all, along with development, we need to ensure that our identity is protected. This will be my fight for the people of Manipur. Aduga loina na lakadoriba sahi manga sida Manipur tawgadawba. First of all, we need to establish a proper system of revenue generation.
Family members of Joinul Uddin claimed that he did not commit suicide but was murdered. Joinul Uddin, aged 33 years, son of Harun Mia from Lalpani Part 2 of Jiribam district, is survived by his 4-year-old daughter. He divorced from his wife 2 years ago. Speaking to media, his uncle Muhammad Moinuddin said Joinul Uddin was running a hotel at Jiribam and that he was also facing financial problems since 1 year after he started working in Imphal. On January 13, he returned home and the same night he received a call and went out to repay loan. Since then, he had gone missing, said Moinuddin. That night, he was carrying around 2.5 lakh. The cash was missing when police found his body. Joinul Uddin was found hanging with his hands and eyes being tied with cloths. The nature of his death cannot be suicide, Moinuddin said. He appealed to the police to investigate the incident and arrest the culprits. An FIR has been filed at Jiribam police station over the incident and investigations are on.
Matam to the Mapamda, Adu Manao Singte, my Manao Nateva, Mayam by Singer, the Mapasu, Adu Mana, Sumaina Haibani, Adu Rome Malemane, Apuisi. I just hardly I am a pass to Kapi. Mayam by Sudum Kapi, Mana Adu Haibani, Adu Mana Hat the Hote Haina, the Donka Pibani, Adu Nipa or money. Adu we Karana do Jengo Martin Nipa like Brahina. Adu Angang Karatalaga Jengba, Adumasu like them.
A combined team of Kamjong District Police, 6th MR Forest Team and NAB Manipur destroyed poppy plants at Maukot Hill Ranch under Kamjong District. During the drive, about 53 acres of poppy plants were destroyed, informed police.
Sashat PSK jurisdiction Makada Labor Maukot. I'm here, University.
Yango to be village chief Mankopao Haukip condemned the Maring Students Union organization for announcing non-existence of Yango to be village. The student body had claimed that there was no Yango to be village in Technopole constituency. Speaking to media, village chief Mankopao Haukip said the claim by Maring Students Union organization was false and unfounded. He said since 1960s, Yango to be village has remained a part of Kwata village. On 18th of August 1978, ex-deputy commissioner of Chandel, H.V. Lalringa, recognized the village and that then MLA Johnson Haukip built a government at that LP school at the village. Moreover, ex-MLA Morung Mokunga and current MLA D. Korung Thang constructed a community hall, a work shed, and an Anganwadi center at the village, he said.
Ngaragi Marine Student Union na yang utupi gajet tasulikte kadai te gilak pano hoting thada polling station tai hai basi khangte hai basi aran bani yang utupi hai basi 1966 da qua tha ke machet noi na le ga 1970 ta DC leldinga na recognize to dana ngasi phawba leibani madugi government gi property leiri basing asida 1980 da I did LP school.
Now, let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Ningol singi punsida khwaidagi maruoiba numit asibu hena magol hapnabagi damakta laizare bridal makeup and photo collection by Tojo Chongtham. Phone number 9366 214 258.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Bonn TV English News at 7. The High New Trap National Youth Movement, HNYM, today announced a Black Flag March on January 21, 2022, on the occasion of Meghalaya's Golden Jubilee celebration. Speaking to media persons, HNYM President Lois Dodong said that they are compelled to take such a decision to protest on the auspicious day of the state because the state government under the leadership of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, MDA, had failed in all spheres when it comes to governing the state and its people. Dodong said that the state government may feel proud to celebrate the state's Golden Jubilee, but every citizen of the state knows that Meghalaya till that had nothing to be proud of or to celebrate its statehood day. He added that under the governance of MDA, the state ranks lowest in terms of poverty, and it's a shame that for the last 50 years the state does not have its proper boundaries with its neighboring state. While the state government along with its officials proudly celebrate the state Golden Jubilee on 21 January 2022, HNYM urges everyone to join it in the Black Flag March from Molai till Polo, which will be followed by a public meeting to express that the people are not happy with what the state is going forward, he added. Doctors treating patients with coronavirus disease, COVID-19, should avoid prescribing steroids and get them tested for tuberculosis if severe cough persists, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has said in its updated set of guidelines. According to the revised clinical guidelines for the management of adult COVID-19 patients issued by the Health Ministry on Monday, the use of steroids increases the risk of secondary infections such as black fungus and must thus be avoided. The guidelines recommend testing for tuberculosis and other conditions if the cough persists for more than 2 to 3 weeks. Over 50 lakh healthcare frontline workers and citizens aged 60 years and above have been administered the precaution dose of COVID-19 vaccine since January 10, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said on Tuesday. With the administration of nearly 80 lakh vaccine doses in a span of 24 hours, the cumulative COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in the country has exceeded 158.04 crore as per provisional reports till 7 a.m. India began administering precaution dose of COVID-19 vaccine to healthcare workers, frontline workers, including personnel deployed for election duty and those aged 60 and above with comorbidities from January 10 amid the country witnessing a spike in coronavirus infections fueled by Omicron variant of the virus. However, the countrywide vaccination drive was rolled out on January 16, 2021, with healthcare workers, HCWs, getting inoculated in the first phase. The vaccination of frontline workers, FLWs, started from February 2. The next phase of COVID-19 vaccination commenced from March 1 for people over 60 years of age and those aged 45 and above with specified comorbid conditions. The country launched vaccination for all people aged more than 45 years from April 1, 2021. The government then decided to expand its vaccination drive by allowing everyone above 18 to be vaccinated from May 1. The next phase of COVID-19 vaccination has commenced from January 3 this year for adolescents in the age group of 15 to 18 years. The third edition of Qingdai Area Kuki Youth Organization, KYO Open Sports 2022 kicked off with much fanfare at El Chayang village under Kangpokpi district, Manipur on Tuesday. The opening ceremony was graced by Pu Yamthong Haukip, intending candidate and ex-MLA of 46 Yas Saikul constituency, Pu Tinkhoneng Baife, social worker, and Pu Dausat Kipgyan, president of Bungpi Area Kuki Chief Association, Manipur, as a chief guest, the guest of honor, and functional president, respectively. Artists of Kuki Film Development Association, Kufida, and Qingdai Area Kuki Youth Association, CAKYO, presented colorful performances during the sports meet opening function. None Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General of Assam Rifles East organized a friendly volleyball match under Bharat Ka Amrit Mahotsav at Mongzarong Kuno village, None district, yesterday. It was organized with an aim to promote the Fit India movement, Khelo India campaign, and also to strengthen the bond of affinity between the forces and the villagers. The friendly match was played with Mongzarong Kuno Youth Club. The event also focused on to inspire the youth towards sports and physical fitness. The participants and the spectators were also educated on the importance of sports in human development and overall personality growth of an individual. Various career opportunities in the field of sports, both in armed forces and other organizations, were also discussed in detail. Locals were also made aware about the upcoming Assam Rifles and Army recruitment rallies and preparation required to avail the opportunities. All necessary precautions and measures regarding COVID-19 were strictly followed. Rangkung Youth Club kicked off its 13th annual sports meet on the theme Championships are won through practice at Rangkung Part 3 Playground. The opening ceremony of the 5-day-long annual sports meet was attended by social worker Faujian Riame as chief guest and Namdin Paume as guest of honor. The opening match was played between Rangkung Part 2 B team and Rangkung Part 3 B team. 8 men's football teams, 4 women's football teams, 12 men's volleyball teams, 9 women volleyball teams, 3 men's tug-of-war teams, and 3 women tug-of-war teams are participating in the sports meet. Before we end, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. 3 dead as car plunges into deep pond in Jiribam. Security forces recover huge cache of arms and ammos. And upward virus trend continues in Manipur, 380 test positive. Thank you for watching Pony TV. Keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned for more updates.